So here we go again. One of the things I find annoying about the Vastex, and it's not just the Vastex, it's any screen printing equipment like this, is the pallet change. So taking off a sleeve pallet now, and I'm putting on just a normal front t-shirt pallet, and that's pretty easy. I'll tighten it, but I've got to get the right size here. So what I have to do is I've left me measurement marks. So it's great that Vastex has these little measurement marks there, so you can just kind of, do this. See how that took me some time? So a way around this, I have a block of wood here, and the width of this wood is exactly how far I want my pallet to be on here. So I use it like this. Drop the piece of wood there, put it in place, tighten. So that made it a lot easier with a simple block of wood. However, what I do is I then have to, what do I do with a block of wood? I'll set it there, take the next one around and pick it up again. That's also taking time. So I've made another improvement. Hanging from the rafters here, I have this. So this is a block of wood I've cut, and that's a kid's sizing, and that's for adults. And so that just swings down in place like this. And we're done, and that's my lean improvement. It's just like having it just there. It goes back. It's like a surgeon where somebody's passing him the scalpels and things. It's just right there on hand. It's perfect. It's actually quicker than this, and it's quicker than counting the little notches there.